Alright, Ed, I think that's what you told me to call you, was Ed, because your name was too hard to pronounce. So I think it's where I think I read that. This is your 32nd scale Crown Vics that you asked for. These are JADA Hero Patrol cars. Just happen to have a couple of them. These were actually Minneapolis Police Department vehicles, and the decals were removed and added what you wanted on the side, just police down the sides. Both of them were lettered identically, if that's a word. Sounds like a word. Each side, obviously. Doors will open. I did trim the decals, so don't have to worry about that. So both doors do open on the front. You asked for different roof numbers. Got 080, 085. I didn't want to say I cheated on that, but make them close. If they're going to be on the same call, they're probably from the same precinct, and that's why their numbers are probably going to be close. So that's why I left those the way they were. Just changed the last number on the one. I also added a couple antennas for you. Those will not stay on there in the box, I don't believe. I think the way they ship, it'll hit the box. But anyway, I'll include the antennas with them, so you can add them to the cars once you receive them. Push bumpers, like I said, I think you're familiar with these cars. Have the laptop in there, the radio, prisoner cage, divider, whatever you want to call it. So they're decked out pretty decent. Like I said, I loved these things when Walmart was selling them for $5 a piece. Sure made them nice to get and add lighting to. And like I said, I was selling them on eBay like crazy. So took quite a bit of my time to keep them built for people that were purchasing them on eBay. Anyway, we added lights to these. You wanted flashing headlights and flashing taillights, red and blue grille strobe, red and blue strobe light bar, and red and blue on the rear deck, because you can't see it because of my shop light, and flashing tail lights. So we'll go ahead and turn these on. You got one switch. We'll turn them both on while we're at it. Why not? Again, you see your flashing headlights. The red and blue grille strobes, I say it in all my videos, those are triple strobe, and it'll look like they're missing flashes, but they are good steady patterns. My camera misses them every now and then because they're so bright. You can almost pick them up a little bit better if you tilt them at an angle like that, but maybe not. Anyway, they're a triple strobe, along with the roof, and then your rear deck has the same patterns to it. Again, those are triple strobe instead of just wig-wag. And then flashing tail lights. I did show that the cars do roll, so if you need to roll them, go ahead and turn this one off. This one's built identical. Again, flashing headlights. You'll see your red and blue strobes. Rear deck. And then, of course, your flashing taillights on that one as well. So there you have it. Like I said, I'll put the antennas in a bag. I don't think they'll fit in the box. I can't recall. They may not. It'll be close. If they'll stay on, I'll leave them on there. So anyway, I appreciate it. As far as the batteries, they're 23A batteries. You got the fresh ones in there that I just put in, and then I will include a couple of extra ones for you, so you don't have to rush right out and get some. Okay, I don't know if you're doing pictures with these or what. But like I said, with the battery being inside the car, they go through batteries fairly quickly. You can get some time out of it, obviously. But if you start using a whole bunch of the batteries, I would go to eBay and pick them up. I think the last time I ordered 50 of the Energizer batteries, I think they were like, I don't know, $30 or something. So you go to the store, they're going to be about $5 a piece. So better off behind them on eBay if you're going to be going through a bunch of them. Anyway, long video, small car. I appreciate the orders, and I'll get these shipped out to you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.